In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Tinkercad account step by step so you can get set up quickly and start using the platform with the right account type for your needs. Whether you're an educator, a student, or someone creating a personal account, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Tinkercad website. Once the page loads, look for this Sign Up button in the top right corner and click it. This is where the account creation process begins. After clicking Sign Up, Tinkercad will show you 3 different options, and it's important to choose the one that matches your situation. If you're an educator, select Educators Start Here. This option is designed for educators who want to manage students, classrooms, and assignments all in one place. If you're a student and your teacher has given you a class code, choose Students Join a Class. This lets you connect to your class quickly using the code provided. And if you want to create your own account for personal use, select Create a Personal Account. This option is for users who want to sign in with their own email address, Google account, or Apple ID. Once you choose the correct account type, Tinkercad will guide you through the next steps based on that selection. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully and enter the information requested for your specific account. If you are signing up as an educator, you may need to provide school-related details. If you are joining a class, you'll enter your class code and complete the student setup. And if you're creating a personal account, you'll be asked to sign in with your preferred login method and finish a few basic setup steps. Make sure to double-check everything you enter so your account is created correctly the first time. If you use the wrong option, you may end up in the wrong account type, so take a moment to choose carefully before moving forward. After completing the prompts, Tinkercad will finish creating your account and you'll be ready to start exploring the workspace and features. That's all it takes to create a Tinkercad account. It's a quick process once you know which option to choose, and now you're ready to begin designing and learning inside Tinkercad. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.